In this video, we will check a user's balance and, drumroll please, transfer quarters. This video builds on the first two, so please watch them first. Okay, let's transfer quarters. Click the Create button in the project pane. Select C# script and name the newly created script BalanceAndTransfers. Double-click on the BalanceAndTransfers script and replace its existing content with the following. Let's now go through each part of the script so we can understand how it works. In the CheckBalance function, we are calling the GetAccountBalance function in the quarters library. In this example, if the balance check request succeeds, we log a message for debug purposes and TransferQuarters custom function is called. In case of the error, we'll log a message with the details for debugging purposes. The envelope TransferQuarters function we created requires to pass an integer value, which is the number of quarters we intend to transfer. In this example, it's 2. Inside TransferQuarters method, we are instantiating a Transfer API request object named request. The creation of a Transfer API request object requires 2 parameters: how many quarters we intend to transfer, and a message that describes a transfer. For example, what it is that we're buying, play a game in that purchase. We also fill the success and error completion handlers for the Transfer API request so that we can correctly process both successful and failed request responses. We then call the Create Transfer function, passing the transfer request we just defined to actually execute it. In this example, if the transfer succeeds, a message is logged for debugging and the scene named Stage 1 is loaded. Your Stage 1 might be something like starting the game or enabling the player to make a purchase, etc. In case of an error, a message is logged for debugging purposes. That's it. We've checked the user balance and transferred quarters. What's next? Create something cool and share it. We're here to help if you have a problem. Look in the notes and join us on Discord. Was this helpful? Please upvote and comment below. Thanks.